Welcome to all. Next, I'm going to create a collage. How to create a collage means I'm opening a new file and putting the rules, and you can place the photographs and you can delete the remaining part. This is very early to do that because you are not that much expert to do. You just learn. But while learning, you can do one collage about your birthday, your city, some function. This would improve your confidence. I'll give a simple step to create a collage. You can share with your friends or colleagues or anybody. So let us go and create a collage. Okay, now I am going to open a new file. So I'm going to take print. So A4 size, not tall orientation. I want a landscape orientation. Resolution is 300 and I am going to create. Now this file is created. So what is next I am going to do here? View rulers. Ruler means the lines. It's already there. If you remove it, it will go. Again view, it will come. Then I am placing here, this is a separation of photographs and this is a gap. If you want to log these rulers, then go again view, then gates, then log gates. So gates is logged. I am putting one here. I am putting here one. So the gap I'm not perfectly looking the gap. When you are doing, you can do that. So I'm placing and okay, I'm not able to do that. So here now all the gates are placed. What is the next step? I'm going to place the photographs. So place embed. So what I'm going to do, I'm placing this photograph. So once it is placed, so automatically the selection will come. So you can avoid the selection, you can see Control T, enter, you can avoid. If you want selection again, Control T. So I am placing here. So I need to reduce little bit. See, I can shift and reduce this proportionality will reduce. So I am going to increase little bit. So it is placed here. Press enter. I am going to place another image. Place this one not linked. Embedded. Place embedded. I'm going to place here. Now you can see that this is little bit more. So what you need to do is select rest trace. This is a smart object. So I will talk about this later. So then I am going to remove this. Again, select, deselect. Again, I am going to file placed and I am taking another image. Again, I am reducing the size, placing it here. So what I am going to do, again, I am rest tracing the layer. Then select the tool and again I am using and cutting it. Then select, deselect. The selection is removed. I am placing another image, file, place, embedded. I'm reducing the size and placing it here. Enter. I'm rest tracing the layer. Then selection tool. removing this part. So you need to work on that layer only. You should not go to this layer, only that layer. Then again, control selection, select, deselect or control D. So initially I am showcasing you. This is not correct. Go up a little bit. Then I am placing it. Control D. Again, here I am going to select here this area and just putting Denmark photos. Just see how it will do the A. It's not looking good. What we'll do, we'll remove that, delete that layer here. So again, I'm going to place one more thing, place embedded. One more good photographs we'll look at. And this one is already placed. This is placed. I think this one is not. This is also placed. This is placed. Okay, I'll look at some other photographs in this. So you think that then we can view, we can gates, clear gates. You can see that how quickly you created one photograph. This is little bit the problem is around this. Control T. I'm not perfectly able to it there. See. Now you see, you created a collage in seconds. I clearly steps I just place it, rasterize the layer using this rectangular tool. You can cut it. Easy and simple way you can create the collage. Please go and explore this.